of the one.
Today's 29th. Jason Bowles will go from 28th. Jeff Babcock, a former track champion here, will start 27th. 26th, Brennan Newberry. Herman Quiroga will start 25th. 24th, John West Townley. Ryan Blaney starts 23rd. Dakota Armstrong, 22nd. And
We're doing it for real right now. In dirt track racing, this is the salute to you, the fans, and there are none better than the ones here at Eldora. 20,000 people strong, up on your feet. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, a 4-wide parade lap with the stars and cars of the NASCAR Camping World Truck Series.
Perch high above turns 3 and 4.
An absolutely magnificent atmosphere here at the Eldora Speedway as the NASCAR Camping World Trucks salute the fans and go flying around this historic half-mile on their parade and pace laps. Above turn number 20, wrapped around by some 20,000 race fans.
Car has returned to the dirt here at the Eldora Speedway. Randy Kaiser of Wilmington, North Carolina, steps on the button, pulls that beast truck away, and will go left for the second day of the midway. The man was saving thousands of fastballs and going off the racing at Eldora.
Jared Landers continues to battle back to the inside as we are up the speed for the first time here tonight at